Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Ellie Fraser and I'm here from the Gold Coast in Australia. Today I'm going to be doing a marble look, so just using your white, silver, black, and I've also made up this beautiful colour here. It's like I put in, what is it? Mont, pearl, sapphire, blue colour, and then I put in some black, and it's created this nice dark, I don't know if you can see it, without knocking Bossy over, yeah, nice dark shiny blue colour in there. But yeah, so I've got a nice, I don't even know the size of this, but a decent sized canvas here. I've got my pins in the back just to keep it up off the table. Yeah, so we're gonna do, I've decided to do like a 3-piece of these, so 3 of these, all marble effect, but 3 different ways. So today I'm gonna be doing a cup flip, and then the other ones I haven't decided on the way I'm gonna do them, but yeah, so same colours, same marble effect, but different ways. So yeah, so we'll start off and get pouring. So we'll pour it into the cups. So I'll start off with a little bit of white on the bottom. Okay, and then I've got silver. Just running it down the side. Bit of black. I don't want too much black to take over, so we'll just put a dash of black on it. That should be enough. Again, we're in with the white. I want a bit of white. Obviously the marble effect is a lot of white, so put a lot, blobs on there. Silver again. So I'm going to go white again on the last little bit. Okay, so that's super full now. I'm just wondering where to place it. I might actually put some white down on the back for the base, and spread it all around. Spread that out. I probably should have put some gloves on, but oh well. Well, make sure that it drips all on the side. It's a bit loggy. Lots of air bubbles in this for some reason. Like I said, should have worn my gloves, so I'm just going to go wash my hands off, and then yeah, we'll tip the paint. Alright, so I'm going to tip this. I'm actually going to, well, just about spilt that. I'm going to, dare it down. Flip it. Is that where I'm going to put it? I guess so. Okay. Hand coordination here. There you go. I'm going to let that sit there and drop down. I'm actually going to go get a pin and pin the top down, just to let it flow a bit better. So I'll just go get that. I'm just going to put some more white around it first. It's really gluggy in there. No, go away, fly. I don't know what it is, but every time I paint there's always a fly. Alright, I'm going to pop the top. Hopefully this goes alright. No, go through. Come on. There you go. Now it doesn't want to come out. Ah! Okay. So it's already flowing. So let it flow down. There's a lot of silver in that. So that's all out. Now I'm just going to start tilting it slowly, see what happens. Bringing it back down. Center it. Now I still have that blue. I don't know whether to actually put it on or not because I quite like that. Might make some lines maybe through, yeah. Nice little small lines. Where else? Quite good. Where else? Here. Some more, sort of that one sort of disappears, so I'll drip a bit more in there. I will leave it. I'm going to go over now with the blowtorch and see what happens. A little micro, so I just got this from Bunnings. It's quite handy, but I probably should get another, like a bigger one. Not too much happening. Okay. Leave it as that, let it dry. Thank you for watching, and remember to comment, subscribe, and what's it called, the notification bell, ding ding bell, just so you don't miss any of my videos. I will take a photo of all three once they're complete and put on my last video of these. So thank you for watching. Bye.